in this video for the next 3 days, I was in LJMU, my college, and I'll be showing you all the things which happened around.
So guys, सुबह हो गई है. We are leaving for the university, but the time has changed now. It's 8 o'clock in the morning, which was scheduled yesterday, but now it has changed to 8:45. So we have around half an hour plus. So we are going to Lime Street Station, and we'll walk around a while, and then we'll come back here sharp at 8:45. So again, we are back to the main street near Lime Street. रात को बढ़िया लग रहा था, but सुबह it's looking more amazing, and there is a Radio City Tower. So it's nearly 8:45. We all have decided to stroll till college. Now look at the count. So we have reached finally the university where we have to go. So this is the entrance gate, and this is how my university looks like. It's Liverpool John Moores University. Basically, today is our first dinner with all the Upgrad people, and they've invited us to a cafe, Il Forno. It's an Italian restaurant, and I'm waiting for Paritosh. I'm at his place. He's also going with us, so I invited him and asked my manager, the Upgrad manager. So he was like, okay, he can come along. So I'm waiting for him, and here the fucker is. And we'll walk again. Thank you, sir. We'll walk to the cafe now. We have nearly reached cafe. This is the cafe. So we are at the cafe now. So this is the Chinatown. Yesterday I wasn't able to show you guys.
Totally remember you, DL. Your voice is unforgettable, just like a catchy tune.
Okay, go to sleeping mode now, please. Our silent mode. We've got Dr. Luki is talking about identifying people. So
entering silent mode.
Thank you.
So we were working with an industry
Another grand project. You folks never rest, do you? What's the next big thing on your plate?
I think we need a holiday. So we collaborated with a partner who has developed a platform to teach the English language.
Ah, a collaboration with someone gallant, perhaps? Sounds intriguing. What's this partnership all about?
सब हाई कर दो एक बार प्लीज. हेलो हेलो, सब हाई कर दो लाइन में. हमारा टॉपिक क्या है?
कुछ नहीं है
अभी ब्रेनस्टॉर्म करना है. और ये पढ़ाई की शोर शराबे के बीच हमें अभी करना है पूरा एक मॉड्यूल कंप्लीट. लेट्स सी हाउ इट गोस. So today is the second day of our dinner with the Brad family, and we are going to a Pan-Asian restaurant, Bon. So it's just opposite to the Line Street station in Liverpool, and this is the restaurant. यही है भाई. And here is our Sir Tushar. Hello.
Oh, you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and comment and share.
Sonia, say something. कहीं नहीं है भाई, कहीं भी बैठो. Parameters for crop recommendation system. Additionally, also demonstrated superior performance for plant disease detection and classifications. Right, and to add more on top of this, with the help of this technology, we can even reduce the usage of water by 40%, which is used for the farming. And this was the key achievements and findings. And post that for the next steps and implementation. We would be needing government and industrial aids to set up pilot programs for the farmers. As we know, India is a diverse state, but majorly the farmers are there. We have small farmers, means there is total 60% of population which is small farmers, and they are not financially wealthy. So we would be needing help of government and industrial partnership programs for them. And we also need.
Yo, that's CNN, but NLP is a natural language.
So basically, the NLP we would be requiring for the application which we would be using. So that, yeah, because India is a diverse country, it has 121 languages, major languages, 1599 dialects, right? And most of them don't have a common language.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Hi guys, आज हमारा लास्ट डे था इमर्शन का, and that is done and dusted. Now we are free to roam around and look for places in Liverpool. And for now, we are going to the cathedral, which is next to Parithos Place. There's a very gigantic cathedral. So let's see if it is open, because it's open till 6 o'clock and it's already 5:30, guys. And we have a whole group with us who's going. We are now at the entrance of Liverpool Cathedral. So this is such a beautiful cathedral. Very old cathedral. It was completed in 2000. But yeah, let's go inside and check this out. In back to the docks. Albert Docks. And it's much more lively today. It's the perfect time to be here. Hello, bhai, baby. Hello, Ashim bhai. Hello. मैं तो इधर.
अरे
भाई मेरे को रिकॉर्डिंग ले बैठना, फिर मैं आ जाऊंगा बीच में आके. Hello, bro.
These are up in the air. For whatever reason, that you need to come back down. All you need to do is you click that red button up there.
If there is any emergency, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or you just want to get off earlier.
Okay.
How many rounds do we have? About 2 goes.
Oh, that's perfect. No, we won't get out.
Have a good time.
Yeah, thank you. चलो जी. बैठ जाओ, किसी को यहाँ पे भी आना है. विंडो चल, एक्स भी चल रहा है भाई. तो सांस नहीं आती क्या? चलेगा वैसे. Sound good. Too bad. Hi, Asim.
Hello.
Hi, bye. Bye, baby. We have changed the sites. They are seeing the dog. I am seeing the city. Venki कहाँ गया भाई? Venki भी घुसा हुआ है भाई कहीं ना कहीं. Venki को घेर रखा था सबने, इन सबने. क्या देखें? House of Spells people. So we have come to a vegan restaurant which is very famous in Liverpool. It's Sanskruti. So it is a 9-year-old restaurant. If you want to have vegan food, you can come here anytime. It's very good. It's very aesthetic. If you see any. So this is how it is. It's a small restaurant but very cozy one. Everyone's plate is empty, but we have our food right now. Look at the faces. She's waiting. She's busy. She's silent. She's sleepy. I'm happy. And these two bucks are just talking.
इतना अमेजिंग था. और जो उसने वो इन्वेंट किया था वो वाला शॉट जो नीचे से मारा था.